After Coinbase's launch of the Layer 2 protocol base, Magi's deployment by E16Z gives our ecosystem another boost of inspiration. Igniting the red-blue battle, despite the intense competition, the development of rollup is set to propel the future growth of Layer 2. According to a recent research report by Messari, Filecoin's data storage usage experienced a significant growth in Q1 2023, with active storage transaction volume increasing by 75% year-over-year. The launch of FVM has opened up new possibilities for Filecoin's development, and we eagerly anticipate the explosion of its future ecosystem. Web3 Weekly News Digest will go over trendings this week. On April 19th, A16Z Crypto announced the launch of Magi, a rollup client built on Op Stack, as the first step towards joining the Op collective. Currently, rollup clients require entirely new software and are difficult to implement, with only one implementation available, Op Node. Client diversity is also a standard for security and activity. Therefore, A16Z is targeting this scarce area, aiming to provide diversity for current rollup clients by becoming an independent Op Node replacement, especially considering A16Z's 2023 cryptocurrency outlook report, which highlights that L2 accounted for only 1.5% of total fees paid on the Ethereum chain for payments last year, but has already reached 7% this year, demonstrating the rapid growth of the L2 track. We look forward to the rise of the L2 narrative in the second half of the year, according to a recent research report by Messari. Data storage usage on Filecoin saw significant growth in Q1 2023. Active storage deals increased by 75% quarter-over-quarter, despite a 13% decline in storage capacity, resulting in a 105% utilization rate increase. Meanwhile, new storage deals increased by 14% year-over-year, driving a 5% increase in Filecoin revenue in Q1. The recently launched Filecoin Virtual Machine, FVM with smart contract capabilities, brought in over 440 deployed smart contracts and nearly 40 for 1,000 transactions. The introduction of smart contract deployment has brought significant benefits to Filecoin and sparked imagination for future development. The report also notes that the pain points of junk data and mining tools are being alleviated with the rise in utilization and new storage, with continuous empowerment of its ecosystem, and the essentiality of decentralized storage. Filecoin is posed to be a major player in the next bull run. The future looks promising, and we eagerly await its development. Fire, an anti-fraud solution for secure transactions, has announced the completion of a $3.5 million new funding round, while Web3 security firm WalletGuard has completed pre-seed funding, with participation from Consensus and IOSG Ventures from last year to this year. We have seen a continuous increase in capital attention towards secure wallet plugins, with two main points being disclosed. One, more and more user assets are being stolen, making secure plugins necessary to meet market demand. To wallet accessories and secure plugins are best positioned to capture traffic. That the segmented markets and business models associated are still needed to be explored in the future. CAT Labs raises $4.3 million in funding with participation from Brevin Howard Digital. Absolute Labs completes $8 million in fundraising. CAT Labs' primary focus going forward is to assist governments, clients in protecting and recovering cryptocurrency assets from a judicial perspective, while Absolute Labs introduces data analytics, CRM, and marketing automation to Web3 for better tracking of marketing processes and maximizing customer acquisition. Its partners include Sandbox and Polygon. Thanks all for watching. We'll see you next week.